Are you looking for a robotic window cleaner? In this video, I will show you the 5 best robotic window cleaner based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the HOBOT 288. Introducing the robot HOBOT 288, the fastest robot for cleaning glass surfaces in history. The engineers used favorite design as their template and completely changed the content. We kept the vacuum motor from HOBOT 188, but added 2 additional cleaning wheels, increasing moving speed to 4.7 inches per second, significantly reducing cleaning time of large surfaces. A powerful vacuum makes HOBOT robots stand on the surface of the glass. Meanwhile, it sucks out the dust and removes the impurities. The 4th product on the list is the HOBOT 298. Most issues with using the robot are eliminated by contacting our service center. Window glass cleaning: new smart home robot cleaner with ultrasonic water spray nozzle. Replaceable water tank. Brushless DC motor, has longer life and lower noise. Washer mop machine with vacuum engine. AI technology and control via smartphone app or remote. The 3rd product on the list is the Ekaavax WinBot 880. WinBot 880 cleans at a low noise level, allowing you to partake in activities without disturbance. The easy-to-use remote control allows the user to start/stop, use the directional buttons, and spot clean a specific area. Equipped with a strong 5-layer decontamination microfiber pad, ensuring a quality clean without leaving streaks on glass surfaces. Once the cleaning is complete, WinBot will return to where it started, for convenient removal. The 2nd product on the list is the COP Rose X5P. 20-minute backup battery in case of a power failure. Once complete cleaning, it will then return to where it started cleaning, for convenient removal and keep your safety. 2 pieces of microfiber cleaning pads can be hand wash and machine wash. Strong water absorption and fast dry property, locking in the moisture and dirt. With magic Velcro, easy to stick on the window robot mop. Built-in undisturbed power system, keeps running for 30 minutes after AC power is disconnected. Anti-drop control design, auto-detect window frames. The 1st product on the list is the Gladwell Gecko Robot Window Cleaner. Intuitive cleaning technology. Our smart artificial intelligence-powered design will get your windows clean quickly and efficiently. The Gecko detects edges and uses its advanced algorithm to scrub every part of your window, including those hard-to-reach areas that you would not be able to get to on your own. Safe and secure with the Gecko Window Cleaner, you do not have to climb ladders or put yourself at risk. You can clean your windows right from your sofa. The cleaner comes with a safety rope attachment feature, ensuring double protection and security for your device. The Gecko's smart design allows it to be controlled from the palm of your hand. The Gecko comes with a full access app, allowing you to quickly and simply tailor the controls to fit your home. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.